You can play in the pool. Just don't push Marty under. Get the watering can. Right there, Kel. Get the watering can. Are you swimming, Marty? You're gonna swim? Go ahead, swim, baby. Yeah, I see you swimming. You're so handsome. Are you handsome? Do you blow bubbles? How about high five? Knuckles. Knuckles. Peace, dude. Keaton, let me kiss. Go. Mwah. Good job. What's this guy's doing? And Marty. And hi, Caleb. What are you doing? Why don't you tell the camera what you're doing today? Did the cat get your tongue? Where's your tongue? I think the cat got it today. You're not going to talk? Can you talk to the camera? No, you're just going to be a goober? Jessie is a pretty girl. And there's Keaton. No, you can't play any computer games. Because you're nagging about it too much today. Are you swimming? Hold on, don't let Marty in. Marty, go in the pool with him. Here, let me see your boat. Here, let me see. Thank you. Hey, Marty, look. Ready? Go get it, Marty. Go get it. Go ahead, Marty, go get it. Good boy, Marty. Marty likes to swim. You playing with Marty? You gonna go to the pool, Andrew?
Yeah.
Don't push Jessie. You just say, move, please. Hey, Jessie's getting old. You gotta be really nice to her. Hey, Marty. Oops. Marty, want that? Watch, let's see if we can get Marty to jump in. Watch out, Andrew. Back up. Marty. Ready? Go get it, Marty. Go get it. Aw, he wants to give you kisses. Andrew, can you show the camera how you swim?
Yeah.
Let's see. All right, look at you two. You're going to be a big boy, Andrew. Andrew, how old are you now? Yeah? How old are you? How old are you now? How old are you? Look. How old are you? Can you show the camera how old you are?
No.
Can you say I'm 3?
No.
No? Keaton, how old are you?
No.
How old are you? Say 2. This many. 2. 1 more, 2. No, this many. Hold up 2 fingers. Like peace. 2. Two. You're two. Marty. Marty's stealing your boat. Hey, Marty. Go get it, Marty. Oops.
Oh, Mom.
Okay, Andrew.
I have to go
So just don't get the camera wet. Come on, Marty, swim to me. Come on, Marty. Oh, we're gonna get the camera wet. Come on, good boy. All right, say bye, camera. We're gonna put you in the house before you get wet. Don't hit Marty. He's a good boy. Say bye, camera.